Vincenzo'S Go Crypto Investing on this early morning, 5:50 a.m. on this Friday, the 14th of April of 2023. We have the pumping in the cryptocurrency markets continue. We had a phenomenal gold update yesterday with the crypto update. Check those two videos out. The dollar's about to slip the 100 handle for the first time in over 12 months. Gold continues to push near an all-time high. The cryptocurrency market, especially the Bitcoins, have skyrocketed recently as of course, as I try to do this quick update before I get into work, there would be some malfunctions with the system because that's what just seems to happen all the time. But you can see the Bitcoin price continues to skyrocket after this huge mountain double top on topping reversal pattern that we talked about, right as the Fed uh, started quantitative tightening, allegedly. But the on topping reversal pattern brings us to a technical target of all the way down here of $13,600. And look at where the Bitcoin price came down to 15,000. And now we're in a big bear market rally coming up to retest that major area here, the bottom part of the mean of the volume, the trading. And we're sitting at 30,000 right now. And that's why we've been talking about ever since we were down here. We could have that rally up to 30,000 to potentially 39,000 all the way through this consolidation. We were looking at that as we were getting stuck in a major trading area that should signify where a legitimate bear market rally could occur. And we have so far had a phenomenal bear market rally of greater than 101%, 101.91% so far on this bear market rally. It's been a phenomenal bear market rally from 15,000 and change all the way up to the precipice of $31,000. And now we're in this rising channel right here where we have your uptrending support, your uptrending resistance, and all eyes look to lead potentially to $39,000. And then I think you would have a huge reversal. And if you got up to that $39,000 level, I feel like this is what the pattern would signify for the preceding 10 to 12 months. A huge bear market rally taking us to new lows, to deep lows, to lows that are disparaging after a 200% rally from 15,000. And that's what we're watching out for as the current pattern is. The mountain double top has played out, hit the targeted move down here last year. And from about the October to February, then we started the bear market rally at the end of winter and continuing now into mid-spring, and that's what I'm going to watch out for there. The same thing with the XRP price. We were in this long symmetrical triangle, a neutral continuation pattern with the head and shoulders topping reversal pattern with the left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder, the neckline, and the technical target was down here at 18 to 20 cents. It got to about 28 cents, and now it has proceeded to do its bear market rally, where just like the Bitcoin, the 51 cents is the Bitcoin 30,000, and the 68 cents is the Bitcoin uh, or 20,000, and then the 39 or 30,000, and the 68 cents is the Bitcoin 39,000. And that's what I'm watching out for. But I must get into work as we're on day 20 of the greater Belvedere metropolitan area at the old Fiat Chrysler building. Peace and love.